many traders use only candlesticks and they like candlesticks charts. They don't like bar charts. There is some reason why, because candlesticks will show most precise information of the market, and we all like some fancy indicators in our trading, daily trading method, but indicators are lagging. Indicators indicate the direction of market, like should we buy, should we sell, much later than the candlesticks. Candlesticks show these things at the very moment when things happen. That's why candlesticks analysis is very important. Suppose if any dummies or if any beginners or any kinds of traders who are just trying to enter this trading world want to pick any method, want to learn anything, then he should learn candlesticks analysis, because with candlestick analysis he can master the market. Like if we see any market is in sideways mode, like here and there is some very noisy, some very messy candles, then we will call that a sideways market. And if we see any pair is any sharp movement in any pair, like a candle, another candle is more down than this, and the next candle is more down than that candle, then we will tell that the pair is in trendy mode, the pair is in downtrend. So by this way we can predict the market, we can see where is market going. So candlestick analysis is very, very important. Now I will show you how you can use this analysis, how you can use this information on your day-to-day trading on live market. For candlestick analysis, first we can select any pair, because currency market is giving us the opportunity to trade any pair. But here we will observe GBP USD, pound against dollar, and this is 4-hour chart. Actually, although there are many major pairs, exotic pairs, minor pairs, but for currency market, if one need some consistent profit and handsome amount of pips, like good movement, very sharp movement, then one needs to stick to major pairs. So here we'll analysis on GBP USD and 4-hour chart, like daily chart, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart. These are the best time frame. So if we start from from here, first I just draw a trend line, and this is swing low. Allow me to change the color, aqua. Yeah, aqua is good. This is swing low, again this is swing low, and we can assume that this is an uptrend. So if we miss the chance to buy here, we can wait to see how market behave. So price went from here to here, and then market got rejected from here. Allow me to zoom in, then you can better understand. Okay, market got rejected from here. So this is the high price and this is the low price, also this is the closing price of the candle. So now we can assume that, we can anticipate that price may fall, but we are not yet sure. So we will mark this zone and we will write. Now we see price came from here to here, and then we saw little bit noisy market and in sideways mode. But then if we watch very carefully, then we can see clearly that this little zone broke just one candle. This is a very sharp candle. So now we can anticipate that market is in down mode. Why? Because this was our last swing low. If we watch carefully, so when market just broke this swing low like this sharp way, then we can assume that market will in down mode. But we don't buy sell here, never, because we will wait to retest back. So we observe again that price tried to break at upside, but it failed again, and we saw a little bearish candle again, bearish candle inside bar, bearish candle again. Market tried to push up, but it didn't succeed. Again we saw a bearish candle here. So we will sell like in this price, we will sell here, just here. If we sold here, we could make a huge amount of money if we hold this position. But I will show you more deeper. So just check out this. If we sold here and wait, we saw some little bar, little inside bar, and then little downtrend here. Then price tried to push back, but we saw the size of the bars candles, so we can anticipate that the strength of the bullish candles is not very strong. It's not very strong. It's a weaker candles. You can just check out strong, not a strong candle, rather very weak candle. Again market tried to push up but failed, then price again followed, and then price make this swing high. Price made lower high, and again this lower high. So gradually market is coming at downside. We can see it clearly. So again, if we took this trade, we can add our position here again. Like where we can add our position, we can sold again here, because as market hit our 10 line and hit create a swing high, we can assume that, and we already have seen the strength of bull candle is very weak. Rather bearish candles are very strong. So we always find some entry at sell side. We can again enter here. If we entered here, then just look out how strong the bearish candles. So we will watch again, and just if we just extended our 10 line, then we can see here again it make another swing high, swing low, lower high, and here. So from here to here market is in downtrend, but if we saw these candles, these are in sideways market, very noisy market, so we should avoid. If we entered this position, then we should exit here or here, because market is in side mode. But After that again market started to fall, like here this is our first zone. Again market is trending at downside, market is trending at downside. We can sell here, sell here, sell here, again we can sell here, because every time we are seeing that there is a rejection candle, then bearish candle, rejection candle, market got rejected, then bearish candle, rejection candle, bearish candle, market got rejected again, and then bearish candle. So we can sell all the time here. From here to here there is sell mode, but now market tried to go at upside. So what we did, what analysis we did at bearish market, if we did the same analysis at this market, like first low, then higher low, higher low, again higher low. So if we connect these higher lows, and if we put our buy order this in this position, in this point, then we can make some good amount of pips.